Job is also one of those places which is helping you, get your money. It is helping you take care of your bills.
Yes.
It is helping you try to experiment with
Yes.
things, and also helping you save coppers. So again, there is another, set of people who believe that, आज की डेट में जिंदा है and grateful towards the job.
I think I am also like, मैंने जो 2 साल जॉब किया, I met great people. They gave me great lessons. But I think sticking to that all my life was not my calling. See, you need to think of growth, right? So देखो, अगर आप 22-23 साल की उम्र में ऑलमोस्ट जॉब में घुस जाता है इंसान, राइट? कॉलेज खत्म करके या MBA खत्म करके, अब आप अगर 30-32 की एज में हो, सो आई एम टॉकिंग टू मिड एज प्रोफेशनल्स एक्चुअली, राइट? आपको ना पता है कि आप CEO बनने वाले हो या नहीं. You need to acknowledge that fact today.
CEO क्या सीनियर मैनेजर बनने वाले हो कि नहीं?
एग्जैक्टली. या फिर आपका जो खर्चे हैं और जो आपकी कमाई है वो मैच कर रही है कि नहीं. इफ यू थिंक यू आर कंफर्टेबल, कंटिन्यू, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. ये साइड हसल इज नॉट अ पुश कि करना ही है. कर लोगे तो अच्छा है, मतलब तुम ही कमाओगे ना, मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिल रहा उससे. तो लेकिन आई थिंक another study from Gallup. Now Gallup is not a small thing, right?
Gallup तो strength finder उसका बहुत famous test है. Yes.
Now Gallup says 84% of job workers globally hate their jobs. They only do it because they have to pay bills.
They have families, they have responsibilities, they have loans.
हाँ, so अब मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि your bills are taken care of by job, good. शाम को 2 घंटा अपने लिए निकाल लो, right? So this is giving you a living 9 to 5. And 7 to 12 can give you a fortune also ना. तो प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? हो सकता है जो भी आपका स्किल सेट है, अगर आप उसको नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाओ, यू टर्न आउट टू बी वेरी डिफरेंट ह्यूमन बीइंग जो आपने सोचा भी नहीं था. मैं तो खुद के बारे में मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग सोचा था, फिर तो ग्रीस में हाथ काले करे वो चाबी पानी रगड़ रहा होता मैं अभी तक, अगर मैंने एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया होता तो, right? But then content economy happened, all this happened, so I'm moving with. So अभी ना मैंने Bloom Ventures का एक podcast सुना, which was the founder of Freshworks was there on the podcast as a guest, right? He said growth is all about riding the waves. If you can ride a right wave, you'll grow very very fast, and it is effortless practically.
Yes.
So pandemic के time पे I think Gen Z was very smart to get on LinkedIn. Become content writers and make money. I know girls who are in college who are good with English, 21, 22 years old, earning 2-3 lakhs a month.
Wow.
Right? Right. I have one of my students who closed, I think, around 90 lakhs in 2022. Right? Good money. Like उसका salary ही 4.5 लाख था पूरे साल का पहले जॉब में, right? But it took me like 3 months to convince her to get into freelancing and do things. Again, it's tough. You travel, you meet a lot of people. It gets hectic also, right? It comes with its own pros and cons. But yes, ultimately, if you have the financial power, you are much better.
Absolutely. You get money and you've got the freedom to think.
Yes.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप अच्छी लगी और आपको और ऐसे क्लिप्स देखने हैं, then do subscribe to the Solo Clips for more such clips.